Hello students, we are already learned in 6th standard first session Chitrapadani 1 and 2. Lesson number 1 is Chitrapadani. In Chitrapadani total 4 Chitrapadanis are there. Okay, so first and second Chitrapadani 1 and 2 we already learned, and inside that total 24 words we are learned. Now today we are continuing with the Chitrapadani 3, total 12 words, and Chitrapadani 4, total 12 words. So today also we are learn total 24 words. Okay, first one is Ratnam. Ratnam, that means diamond. Okay, in Chitrapadani 3, the first word is Ratnam. Ratnam, that means diamond. Diamond in Gujarati it is હીરા. ઓર્નામેન્ટ્સ માં લગાવવા માટે, ઘરેણામાં લગાવવા માટેના પેલા હીરા જે હોય છે ને એ છે, that is called diamond. Diamond in Gujarati it is hero, and in Sanskrit it is called Ratnam. Ratnam, diamond, हीरा in Gujarati. The next one, second one is छत्रम. अभी कौन सी सीजन शुरू होने वाली है? बारिश की. और बारिश की सीजन में सबसे ज्यादा हमें कौन सी किस चीज की जरूरत पड़ेगी? वो है अम्ब्रेला. अम्ब्रेला दैट मींस छतरी. जब बारिश गिरेगी उससे बचने के लिए हम रेनकोट पहनते हैं और छतरी साथ में लेके भी कभी-कभी चलते हैं. तो जो छतरी छाता हाथ में लेके चलते हैं तो छाता हिंदी में बोलते हैं, गुजराती में એને કહેવાય છે છત્રી, इंग्लिश में अम्ब्रेला, and in Sanskrit it is called छत्रम. छत्रम that means umbrella, in Gujarati it is called छतरी. Third one is pushpam. Pushpam, that means flower. You know that very well. The different types of flowers are there and their fragrance are very good. Flower, flower that means in Gujarati it is called fool. Fourth one is urukam. Urukam in Sanskrit, and in English it is called pant, and in Gujarati also it is called pant only. We are wearing every day pant. Okay, men are wearing pant every day. Now fifth one is dhanam. Dhanam, what is the meaning of dhan? Dhanam that means rupees. पैसा, जिन्हें गुजराती में આપણે કહીએ છીએ पैसा, इंग्लिश में इसको बोलते हैं rupees, and in Sanskrit it is called dhanam. Sixth one is pustakam. Pustakam, that means in English it is called book, and in Gujarati it is called chopadi. Okay, 6 are over. Now the seventh one is lashunam. Lashunam, that means garlic, and in Gujarati it is called lasan. Next one is eighth one, Sivan Yantram. Sivan Yantram, that means sewing machine. કપડા સીવવાનો સંચો જે હોય છે એને ગુજરાતીમાં આપણે કહીએ છીએ કપડા સીવવાનો સંચો, and in English it is called sewing machine, and in Sanskrit it is called Sivan Yantra. The next one, ninth one is Vimanam. Vimanam, in English it is called aeroplane. Another name is Vimanam is plane, and in Gujarati also we are called Viman. Next one, 10th one is Lokyanam. Lokyanam, that means bus. ओके, हम ट्रैवल करने के लिए जिसका यूज सबसे ज्यादा करते हैं गवर्नमेंट बस होती है, प्राइवेट भी लग्जरियस बस होती है, जिसका हम सबसे ज्यादा ट्रैवलिंग में यूज करते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड बस. इन गुजराती आल्सो इट इज बस ओनली. 11th one is Krishnafalakam. Just look at the students. Here total 2 words are there. The one is Krishna, second word is Falakam. Krishna, that means black, and Falakam, that means board, and the whole word meaning is blackboard. Krishna Falakam, blackboard, and the Gujarati meaning of blackboard is Kalu Patiu. Now in so many schools we are using green board only. Blackboard and green board, okay, similar these things are. Next one is Shakatam. Shakatam in Sanskrit, in English it is called bullock cart. Bullock cart. What is the meaning in Gujarati? Gujarati is badad gadu. Badad hoy ne bullock, ox. Bullock hoy ne je ox, જેને આપણે બીજા શબ્દમાં બળદને another meaning of in English, that one is ox. Okay, so બળદ અને cart, that means ગાડું, બળદ ગાડું. બળદ ગાડું જે છે એ મોટા ભાગે આપણે ક્યાં જોવા મળે છે? ગામડાઓની અંદર, જ્યાં ખેતીમાં પણ એનો યુઝ વધારે થતો હોય છે. This called bullock cart, બળદ ગાડું. Okay. Students, we have seen the Chitrapadani 3, now Chitrapadani 4. In Chitrapadani 4 also there are total 12 words. The first one is Ankani. Ankani, that means pencil. Pencil से हम लिखते हैं ना, वही pencil. Okay, it is pencil. In Gujarati also it is called pencil only. But the first pronunciation is Ankani. Then one point is that it is called अंग. अंग के साथ क ज्वाइन हुआ है, इसलिए इसको बोलते हैं अंक. Okay, so अंकनी. Okay, clear the pronunciation? It is called Ankani, that means pencil. The second one is Grantha. Grantha, that means holy book. Different religions have different types of holy books. Okay, in Jainism following the Agam, the Hinduism is following the Bhagavad Gita, Muslims following the Quran Sharif. Okay, so different religions have different holy books. So Grantha, that means holy book. The third one is Abhushanam. Abhushanam, that means ornament. Ornament, we know very well ornaments. Okay, in Gujarati it is called ઘરેણા. Ladies જે પહેરવા માટે યુઝ કરે છે, ઘરેણા પહેરે છે ને અલગ અલગ, that types of ornaments. Okay, આભૂષણ, that means ornament, and in Gujarati it is called ઘરેણા. Fourth one is કરદીપઃ. करदीपः, that means torch. जब लाइट जाती है तो हम उसको चालू करते हैं, टॉर्च की बैटरी जैसे आप कहिए. ओके. फिफ्थ वन इज चमसः. चमसः, दैट मींस स्पून, जिसका यूज हम करते हैं खाने के लिए. स्पून यानी गुजराती में इसको क्या बोलते हैं? चमची. ओके, खाने के लिए इसका हम यूज करते हैं. सिक्स्थ वन इज लवित्रम. I think so this is a new word for you. Lavitram, that means in English it is called sickle. S-I-C-K-L-E. Sickle, sickle. In English, and in Gujarati it is called તાતરડું. Okay. ખેતરની અંદર ઊભો પાક હોય કે ગ્રાસ હોય એને કટ કરવા માટે યુઝ થતું હોય છે. મે બી કદાચ તમને યાદ હોય. Just see in the picture also, this picture is there. Okay, just see. Lavitram, that means sickle, and in Gujarati it is called દાતરડું. Six are over. Now the seventh one is Avkarika. Avkarika, that means dustbin. कितना भी कूड़ा कचरा हो हमें कहाँ में डालना चाहिए? डस्टबिन के अंदर. ऐसे ही फेंक नहीं देना चाहिए. The meaning of Avkarika is in English dustbin, and in Gujarati it is called kachra peti. Okay. Eighth one is Sanchika. Sanchika, that means file. You know very well what is file. Okay, in Gujarati it is called only file only. Ninth one is pipilika. Pipilika in Sanskrit, in English it is called ant, and in Gujarati it is called कीड़ी. हिंदी में चींटी बोलते हैं और गुजराती में कीड़ी. हर एक के घर में होती है. ठीक है. 10th one is गणन यंत्रम. गणन यंत्रम, गणन that means गिनती करने के लिए, यंत्रम that means मशीन. गिनती करने का लिए जो यूज होता है वो मशीन, उसको क्या बोलते हैं? कैलकुलेटर. गुजराती में भी हम क्या बोलते हैं? इन गुजराती also we are called calculator only. In short form we are using calci. Okay, calculator in Gujarati also calculator, and in Sanskrit it is called ganana yantram. 11th one is droni. Droni that means in English it is called bucket, and in Gujarati it is called ડોલ. ઘરમાં પાણી ભરવા માટેની ડોલ હોય એ, that one. And the 12th one is pincher. What is this? It is pincher. In English it is called switch, and in Gujarati also we are calling switch. Okay, switch on કરો ને, પંખાની switch on કરો ને, that called switch. આપણે પંખા ને એના માટે પંખો છે, ટ્યુબ લાઇટ્સ છે, for that purpose we are using that switch. Okay, switch in Gujarati also it is called switch. So lesson 1, Chitrapatani 1 and 2 we are finished in first session. Chitrapatani 3 and 4 we are finished in second session. Okay, so I think so this total 48 words very useful for you. So learn and memorize this all the words. Okay, thank you students.